Looking to give your Twitter profile on PC a fresh new look? Let's walk through the steps to change the theme. Start by locating your profile image at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the image to access your profile settings. Next, find the button in the top right corner that reads Edit Profile and click on it. This will take you to the Profile Editing section. Within the Profile Editing section, you'll see an option to uncheck the box that says Show My Vine Profile. Make sure to deselect this box to proceed with changing the theme. Now, navigate to the Design section and look for the button to change the theme color. Click on this button to open up the color palette. From the palette, choose a new color that you'd like to apply to your Twitter profile. Select the color that best represents your style and preferences. Once you've made your color selection, click on Save Changes to finalize the new theme color for your profile. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the theme of your Twitter profile on your PC. Give your profile a personalized touch by updating the theme color to reflect your individuality. Enhance your Twitter experience by making these quick and easy changes.